Hello, this tutorial is going to go through how to enter your scores into the platform application. So the first thing you'll need to do is go into platform, PLT4M.com, and then when you get here you're going to click login, and you're going to use the email address and password that you used when you set up your account. If you've forgotten your password, you're going to click Forget Your Password. I asked you to use your student email from Outlook, so that should be the email address, but just in case you didn't, you may have a personal email address. You might want to try that also. So you're going to log in to the system, and then once you get to the system, you'll see your name over here, and we're going to go over here to Analytics. So Analytics. And down here, this allows us to enter our test scores. So if you look down here, I do not have my fitness tests listed. You could go to log, and this is one way, and I could go down the list and find the test is one way. The other is you can add to your dashboard by going and selecting the tests. So you can go through this and find the tests that we do. So take a second and go highlight all the tests that we do. Okay, as you can see, I have the 5 tests now loaded down here in the bottom. I choose to add new. So I've got plank hold, burpee max 2 minutes, air squat 1 minute, push up max 1 minute, and sit up max 1 minute. So those are the 5 fitness tests that we are going to complete. So then I'm going to go up here and I'm going to choose log test result. Check that. Yep, that's what we're going to do. And then I'm going to put how many minutes I did my test. So let's say I was able to go for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I will then go here, make sure you have the date selected. And then I'm going to go to burpee max 2 minutes, and you can just click on the max. And how many burpees, how many burpees did you do in 2 minutes? Enter that score. And then I go to my air max, and you can see here as your personal record what your score has changed. So my recent score on air max squats was 50. And this time around I did 60. So I'm going to hit save, and then I go to my next test. Your push-up max. How many did you do? And my screen kicked out, but I'm going to do 50 push-ups. Yep. And let's see. And then the last one are sit-ups. And then I'm going to enter my total sit-ups, 60 in 1 minute. Boom. I didn't have a score in for my plank hold. So now I've got my test scores in. So you can see the change. This tells you whether you improved. And if we see a positive number, that means you improved by that many. If you see a negative number, you went down in that category. So once you have your information logged here for all of these tests, again, you can click on it. And that one already has a score. But you can enter your scores in here, and also make sure you log your scores on your physical activity log for this week. Once you complete your fitness scores, if you want to see how you compare to others, you can choose leaderboard, and this puts the top 5 from everybody that is doing fitness testing. And you can see the school leaderboards for air max squats, push-ups, all 5 of our fitness tests here, so you can compare yourself to others in our strength interval training program. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. Send me an email. I'd be happy to help you get your information entered into platform.